Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to get into safe mode on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, swipe downwards from the top of your screen to access your quick settings panel. This is where you'll find all your notification shortcuts and quick access buttons that you use regularly. Once the panel is open, you'll notice a power button icon among the various options available. Go ahead and tap on it to proceed. Alternatively, if you prefer using physical buttons, you can press and hold both the power button and volume up button at the same time. This will also bring up the power options menu on your screen, giving you the same access you'd get from the quick settings panel. Either method works perfectly fine, so use whichever feels more comfortable for you. Now, once the power options menu appears, you'll see several choices including power off and restart. Here's the key part. Instead of just tapping on restart, you need to press and hold it. This is an important distinction because a regular tap won't trigger the safe mode option. When you hold down the restart option, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. This confirmation message will specifically ask if you want to reboot your device into safe mode. Safe mode is useful when you're troubleshooting issues with your phone as it temporarily disables all third-party apps and only runs the core system software. This helps you identify whether a problem is caused by an app you've installed or by the system itself. To confirm that you want to enter safe mode, simply tap OK on the confirmation prompt. Your Pixel 8 Pro will then begin the reboot process. Give it a moment to restart. You'll notice during the boot up that your phone might take slightly longer than usual to turn back on, which is completely normal when entering safe mode. Once your device finishes rebooting, you'll see a safe mode watermark at the bottom of your screen confirming that you've successfully entered safe mode. Your phone will now operate with only the essential system apps running. And that's it. Your Google Pixel 8 Pro is now in safe mode and ready for troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.